Hi, I'm Brad with Family Handyman. You know, everybody's got their opinions on the big discount stores like Harbor Freight Tools. And the truth is, if you know a few secrets and know what you're shopping for, you can get some great deals. So I'm going to give you a few tips on how to get that done. First up, inexpensive tools. If you need to rent something, think about buying it instead, because sometimes the price of purchasing one is almost as cheap as it is to rent one, and you don't have to worry about getting it back within a 4-hour time limit or whatever, and when you're done with it, you can just sell it. So we all hate the hassle of returning purchases, especially if you've bought it online. That means you have to ship it back. But at Harbor Freight, you can take something that you've purchased online and bring it to the store and return it or exchange it in person. Next up, Harbor Freight has a really generous return policy, particularly their lifetime warranty on hand tools. So even if you think, I might be skimping a little bit on quality on this particular tool, if it breaks, you can bring it back and exchange it for a new one whenever you need to. You've probably gotten flyers in the mail from Harbor Freight with coupons, but what if you get to the store and discover that you left your coupons at home? Easy. You can text tools to 222-377 and you'll immediately get a 20% discount coupon on your phone. So when you're shopping big discount stores like Harbor Freight, it really pays to know some insider secrets. For more tips like these, visit us at familyhandyman.com.